In my community, there was a time, there was a clash between the Iriji festival and the Christians. They termed it occultic festival, demonic, or unbiblical, all sorts of names. In fact, there was an issue. The Christians wouldn't want to even come out the day they set aside for this New Yam celebration. And now here you are, as a custodian of Igbo culture, member of the Indian cabinet and the Knight of Catholic Church. Do you find that conflict in wearing these two caps as a traditionalist and as a knight of Catholic Church?
God has given us privilege to be that knowledge. To be honest with you, the Christians, when they came to see the way Igbos celebrated Iriji, it was the most common unifying factor
across
Igbo land. And so it marveled the early priests, the early white priests, that how come these people are so happy, dressed in their best clothes, with pomp and pageantry.
Very colorful.
Very colorful. And that sowed the seed of discord between Christian churchgoers. Now, there is no conflict. It is only a fight of ideology.